Hello everyone, I'm Shabari from hookedandloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, click the bell icon. By the way, don't forget to like, share and comment. In this tutorial, I have shown how to cover up your crochet hook using a polymer clay or an air dry clay. In this project, I have taken an air dry clay. I have used Fevicryl molded and it contains two ingredients. One is the hardener, another one is the resin base. So we will take equal quantity of both the hardener and the resin base. We will take these two parts and mix them together. You can use powder to mix these parts together. The mixture now contains two colors. You will mix them until the color is white. So you will just roll it and fold it in this manner, and soon your mixture will be uniform. Okay, so our mixture is ready. We will now roll it to form this shape. We will take the crochet hook and then we will just cover up our hook in this manner. Take enough clay to cover up your crochet hook. And when your crochet hook has been covered up properly, just roll it using your two hands to smoothen it. Use a little bit of water and just roll it using two hands, and soon the surface will be smoothened like this. So our hook has been covered with clay. We will just give it a little bit of finishing touch and smoothen the surface. And when you are perfectly satisfied with the shape of your hook, just allow it to dry for at least 3 hours. So now our hook is completely dried. We will first paint it completely white using the white colored acrylic paint. The white color will act as the primer for the paint we will be using later on. So first we will paint it white and allow it to dry for some time. Now we will start painting our clay hook. So I chose this sky blue color. So I am giving a light colored background, and on top I will be painting small flowers. So firstly I am giving one coat of this blue color, and when it's dried up I will be giving the second coat. And then after that we will let it dry for at least 5 minutes. And now we will be painting our flowers. Now the designing part is completely based on your choice. By the way, if you want to see many more designs on these clay hooks, then please mention in the comment section. I will just love to make those for you. These clay hook handles really provide good grips, so I think you can easily make these for your own hooks. Okay. Our work is nearly completed. At the end, I wrote down my hook size, and it's really important. So finally, our air dry clay hook handle is ready. You can also make this using polymer clay. Okay? I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy to follow. Hit the like button if you liked the video, comment in the comment section for any queries, and please subscribe to my channel. I have a website at www.hookedinloops.com. You will get my crochet patterns there, and I will soon update my website, so stay tuned. Thank you and have a great day.